My people, this video one I about to watch, so wetin be this word they talk to? Wetin be this word? Wetin this word they talk to? I don't understand. Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. If today na your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, okay? Yes, may una pardon me, say I not dey active for this period. Yes, may una not worry. I'll dey active by grace of God. As this small, I break my phone break, and as my body still dey do me. But no be that one I really break come out. My people, this video one I about to watch, so this woman, this elderly woman, one I see say e stand for there. These people they come they ask and say, where small boy when they stay with her? I go leave una make una still watch the video by una self. Where this small boy when they stay with you? Now the woman just attack the survey. That survey when Nancy say that man who when he carry one, I don't understand the hair when he put for head for you self. You know, he come they ask and say, what did they do with this survey? Because she know what to use that survey do. A mother, if a elderly woman can do this, what did that pikin? Because since I they try to do research about this news, may I know what did the pikin do? Whether na biological pikin, whether na the daughter pikin, or whether na his daughter husband pikin. You know, this my head just full. I never really see wetin this news is about. Who this pikin big to ram? Because when you dey bring something come out, you need to get the full detail. I don't know what to talk, my beautiful people. Me, I just confused. See small pikin, road wey never wan pass, road wey God never send her. This woman just send her go there. Small pikin. Now hear about una self oh. Please, my main purpose of doing this video, if you know say you no dey capable of taking care of your own child, no bring pikin come this world. Please, I'm begging. I'm still talking to myself. Day and night, I ask God, as far you give me children, give me life. And those responsible parents, responsible mothers out there, as far God have blessed you guys with children, I pray may God give you guys life. Because see this elderly woman, he say him bury pikin, child. Pikin when you go dey see, go dey give you joy. Say him bury her alive. My people, I don't know wetin really cause am sha. I dey try. The people they no interview am well. Who this pikin big to you? They supposed to interview am well. I no see that part. Abi the pikin they go carry am for village. I beg, if you dey village, dey with your pikin. Let your pikin dey with you. Now water you see, drink am with your pikin. One day things go change. My people, I don't know what to talk because the thing confused me. And if I tell una say I weak, since I haven't seen this news when my sister sent her before my oga sent her this morning, I weak. I weak. I don't even know plus my body. I am totally weak. My man, they with the bitter. I been a one for South Africa when he abuse the pikin. That one see they come on the way. My people, I don't really know what to talk. Bury a innocent child alive. She said she bury her alive. She said she bury her. This woman, I'll say, na mind, he had no man. He had no man, na wickedness. I dey suspect whether his daughter marry the boy papa, or he no like the boy mama when he born this pikin for their family. Now wetin I feel. The pikin may so rest in peace. If you dey come life, give na true say that they really dey come life. Papa, mama, when go born you, they no agree make you from door. For you, cherish you, cater for you, do everything mother, parents supposed to do for you. They will do one for you. My people, now this one get to talk because the story. I think I say this girl dey cry. This part I will remove her because of YouTube policy. Yes, I will remove that shout. Me, I shout too. I don't shout tire. Don't tell when my sister when send her for me go no say don't tell when send me this video before my oga send her get today. I'll tell you in my next video. I tell you now see and say pikin don't buy me no life again. No life. Saying she go talk. You go meet your God, your creator, your sin. Now your hand you take carry, no be we. My people, no now they bump pikin now fit take care of So they say pikin.
There's a small boy. Let's not forget that there's a small boy they made a report about. That the small boy is literally staying with that. Madam, can you focus and listen to me? Okay. Can you focus and listen to me?
Do you know that this shovel is an exhibit? Inspector Zuma, no. Inspector Zuma, wait. Inspector Zuma, please. Wait, let me just ask this man one question. There's a little boy who is staying with you and helping you for an assistance. You said you stay alone, but let me remind you that some neighbors here, she said she stay alone when you guys were inside. Some neighbors here, you understand, said there's a little boy that is assisting you. Where is that boy? Did he go to school, or maybe he's with his parents now, or what? Where is the little boy in question?
What do I want to tell you,
Madam.
We need nothing but the truth from you.
I'm just trying to
nothing but the truth.
Madam,
police is your friend.
Yes, police is your friend.
Jonathan. So can you just tell us where that little boy is?
What happened? Say the boy.
Madam.
Yeah.
There's an evidence of whatever has been reported to us, and this is the evidence. Sorry, who is this in this video that you are seeing here?
Not be me, oh.
We didn't say it.
Madam, we did not say it. We said it. Madam, check this video very well. Who is this here?
Madam, I want you to understand something. You understand?
Madam, I want to show one clip. There's this shovel. There's this shovel. This shovel. Can you see this shovel? On this same clip. This shovel. What is in that camera must go. Yes. Madam, we are not joking. There's a camera following us. Camera, come out. Yes. An allegation was made, and whatever they said, whatever we should do, we should document it and record it. So we hit camera before even coming to your doorstep. Hello, Madam, we need nothing but the truth from you. You will only I don't know. Calm down. Madam. We need to Madam,
look at what you're supposed to do. You help us and help yourself. By taking us to that point, you went with this shovel.
Madam, did we shout? Madam, did we shout? Madam, calm down. Did we shout? Calm down. Madam, calm down. Madam, calm down. What was in that camera? Don't call out the name. Madam, what was in that bag?
In the video there, it is vivid. You went to bury.
Madam, what was shovel? Take off. Madam, move. Don't take us to the place. Madam, don't move to the place. Don't move to the place that you want. Take us to the place. We will help you. Madam, move now. No. There's no need to answer at this point. Madam, don't move. Move to the place where you buried it. Madam, move, please, move. I wonder why somebody. Let me even bring out my mic. I wonder why somebody would just be like, how would somebody just? This thing is really like. Personally, I just pray maybe it's not what we are thinking. Because if it is actually what I'm thinking, then.
Madam, let's go. Let's it is there now.
Muna push am fast now. Make she dey go now, madam.
I get what I want.
Madam, just take us.
No. It's like she has something to say.
We're asking her.
Let her talk now.
Madam, talk now.
Talk to us. We are all ears. Talk.
Talk. What's with that?
The pikin, I better my life.
Jesus!
How?
Why can you take us? No, need to ask her. No. Now to the place. Madam, take us to the place. Madam, take anything. They don't take us to the place. Okay, let's get to the place. She's ready to the place. I'm not taking us to the place. Jesus. Hurry up now. All right, come. Jesus. Now this is the place. Oh my phone. I just take this. Oh my phone.
You have to take it easy. The child may still be alive.
No, how can the child be alive? From last yesterday night.
Madam, listen. You have to remain silent right now because anything you say.